Good morning, y'all. First of all, I look crazy as hell. I look crazy. It's 6:03. I'm literally sitting in the car in front of the gym listening to Trina's new single. Did y'all see the verses last night? It was pretty good. So yeah, Trina hit us with that new single before she got off stage, and you know, it's a bop. I am a Trina fan. Sound like some old Trina to me, but let me get out of the car. All right, y'all, so it's the next day. Just got back from the gym. As you can see, I had a pretty good workout today. But anyway, so and I actually was able to get a little bit of footage of this workout today for y'all. So I hope you enjoyed that, because you would have just saw it. But I'm gonna insert the clip here from yesterday with my first day using the sweet sweatband. Yesterday was no sweat enhancing cream or gel that they send with the belt, like the little sample one. So I did use half of the packet, and actually a lot goes a long way. I think I used too much, so I actually have a good bit to last for the next couple of workouts. All right, this angle is not the best, but hey y'all, it's early. It's currently, well, it's like 7:20 now, which I need to hurry up because I gotta log in to work by 7:30. But anyway, anywho, this is my first time using the sweet sweatband. So I decided, I was like, you know what, let me just document this, because I wanted to see what the difference would be with using the cream and not using the cream. Now, as you can tell, I did put it over my leggings, but let's see. And I did not put the sample. No matter of fact, let me grab a sample. Okay, so this is the sample here that they give you. I ordered it off of Amazon, and it came with this little sample of the enhancement like gel cream that you can put on that's supposed to enhance your sweating, right? So this is, and y'all, I did get a real big one. It's definitely sweat on there. So because I got the wrong size, y'all, I really think I'm bigger than what I am. This is the extra large, which actually like wraps around my waist like twice. So I think I'm gonna actually cut it for next time, which would be like right here maybe. So when I put it on, it'll stop like right here. So I'm gonna just cut it. But yeah, so that's what we got today. So yeah, so we'll see about tomorrow. And to be honest, the way I feel right now with all this sweat right now dripping on me, I will definitely be purchasing some. And I say that before I even take this off. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. And I do have it on my skin today. The clip that you just saw, of course, my leggings were up. So trying to make sure I don't show nothing. Oh yeah. Let's use the mama scars. So y'all, big difference. Ooh, big difference from yesterday. Yeah. So, and as you can see, I went ahead and cut it because it was way too long. But yeah, this is serious. So yeah, I will definitely be purchasing. I rubbed it all on my back. I even rubbed it on my arms. I just wiped it. I should have had left the sweat that was on my arms. And that just from me wiping it. I literally was wiping my arms my entire workout. I just kept wiping and the sweat just kept coming. So yeah, but you can see this shirt is soaked. My leggings are soaked. Like, I know y'all probably can't see because obviously I'm on my phone. But y'all, these things are soaking wet. So yeah, so far so good. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try my best just to make videos to pretty much keep myself accountable. I have been doing pretty good with working out. My birthday was last month and that definitely threw me off. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just start recording and making videos again. It's just going to be videos of all kind of stuff, just whatever I feel like recording. It's not going to be no super like clean editing on these videos. Like, I think that's what always deterred me from doing videos here on YouTube, because I don't know, they just feel like they always have to be like perfect with editing, and you gotta have this, you gotta have an intro, outro, blah, blah, blah. And that stuff is cool. I just don't really feel like putting all that into it. I just want this to be fun, easy, just real laid back over here. So that's the plan. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. That is definitely out the blue. And come back for more. Bye, y'all.